Welcome to week 1 of Together We Thrive initiative. This week we're focusing on environmental wellness with a litter pickup initiative. Picking up litter is something that we can all do. Whether you're young, old, if you go out to pick up litter alone or as a family, it's something we can all do to help better our communities. And it feels great to get out there on a sunny day. You can pick up litter anywhere. In your own neighborhood, at the local park, you might see litter while you're at the lake, along the shore and in the water. You can pick up litter while kayaking or on your walk with your dogs. You don't need much to pick up litter. Bring along a shopping bag. Hey, you might even find one while you're out there collecting litter. You can bring along some garden or work gloves, or even get a picker to grab trash that's stuck in the trees and in the brush or hard to get to. This week, while you're picking up litter, we want to know how many bags you collect and what you find while you're out there. Record this in your Wufoo form or share on our social media page. Now for your Thrival tip of the week. When projects, tasks, or the day feel overwhelming, break it down into smaller goals. Sometimes the litter that we see in our community can be overwhelming and lead us to feel helpless about having an impact. Make a goal to clean up for 30 minutes for one day or one day a week while on your walking route. Know that your work contributes to the greater good, and together, our communities thrive. Thank you for joining us this week in the Together We Thrive initiative.